Hello guys, Croatian travelers are back. We are in Geneva, Switzerland.
We're at one of the biggest lakes in the Western Europe, Lake Geneva.
We are going now inside the water jet and it's 140 meters tall. Oh my god, it's crazy, it's so cold here. I'm so wet now.
Switzerland is a small but famous country in the heart of Europe, and it is one of the most developed countries in the world. We'll spend the next 2 weeks in this amazing place and show you its stunning beauty. Switzerland has a population of 9 million people and has 4 official languages. It is also one of the 2 countries in the world to have a square flag. This nation is famous for chocolates, watches, insurance banking, civil engineering, cheese and spectacular scenery. Interesting facts are that there are more banks in Switzerland than dentists, and half of the luxury watches produced in the world come from here. Geneva is one of the country's most expensive and luxurious cities, surrounded by alpine lake with tons of outdoor activities, lakes to swim in, and mountains to explore. There are more than 1,500 lakes in Switzerland, and Lake Geneva is the largest. Geneva is the second most populous city with only 200,000 citizens, but it is one of the world's major centers of international diplomacy. Summer months, locals swim here. Now we'll try water and see. Ooh, it's amazing. It's not cold at all. The best ways to get around are on foot and by tram. The city is a small 6 square miles and is easily navigated. Tourists will get free Geneva transport card to be used on water taxis, trams, trains and buses.
We are trying a Swiss beef. Delicious.
The famous flower clock is situated in Geneva's English garden. The clock is a true example of Swiss' long tradition of watchmaking. The headquarters of famous watch brands like Rolex and Patek Philippe are placed right opposite to this famous attraction. Right at the heart of the city is Geneva's oldest square, called Place du Porc de Four. It is a bustling area with a cluster of cafes, restaurants, and high-end fashion shops. The oldest café, La Clemence, is located at the Place du Porc de Four.
We are inside the cathedral in Geneva. After we visited Old Town and the center of Geneva, we are going to see United Nations building.
Along with the United Nations headquarters, Geneva is also home to the World Trade Organization, the World Health Organization, and the Red Cross.
We are protesting for a free Argentina.
And the most interestingly, here is the CERN, the world's biggest machine and the largest atom collider in the world. Guys, that's everything for today. We're going to have a dinner now. See you in the morning, and we're taking you to a special place. Bye!